A judge orders the owner of the Mountaineer Inn to clean up its lot or face a lien for the city to do it. And this is News 13 Investigates confirms the owners still owe Buncombe County nearly $30,000 in property taxes and have had their business license revoked. News 13's Kimberly King is back out live on Tunnel Road. And Kim, city leaders are now getting involved.
Holly, delinquencies out here are racking up, and that's right. Back behind me, the perimeter fence that used to be here that a construction company had put up, that's now been removed. The city attorney's office says that the owner's attorneys have gone radio silent. They can't get any information from them. We sat down with Councilwoman Maggie Ullman to ask her what she thinks could be next.
The Mountaineer is an iconic landmark. I've heard from a lot of people, and you have too.
Councilwoman Maggie Ullman's well aware that the Mountaineer Inn's become a tunnel road eyesore.
Well, I do think the legal action the city has taken is the right step.
A judge this week ruling defendants failed to appear or answer will result in a mandatory injunction requiring owners to remove all trash and weeds, anything causing it to be a blight.
I think the judge validated that this group is acting like our community is a commodity. There's so many neighbors that I've been talking to that are really concerned.
A neighboring business owner emailing her, "You may not realize all of the motel room doors have been removed and homeless transient people have taken over the lot." Another issue is the $29,000 in unpaid taxes Radify Asheville, the listed owners, owe. News 13 has also now uncovered North Carolina's Secretary of State has revoked Radify's license to do business. No owner is responding to calls. City Attorney Brad Branham says in 30 days the city can enter the property and do remediation if the owner fails to meet the court-mandated deadline. This as delinquent tax bills accrue interest.
The property owner has been negligent before in not paying its property taxes to Buncombe County. I think potentially today they could still be in default, which could put this up for auction. Would you potentially maybe like to see that happen and somebody else buy the property?
Well, that's an interesting thing to think about. I mean, it's hard to speculate what could come, but I think what is best for the community and the neighborhood is an owner who wants to give back to the neighbors, and the current property owner is shown that they're not willing to do that.
Okay, so what about the owners, you might ask? Well, we're asking too. They have no valid phone number on any of their business documents. I have been calling them for over a year and a half. And then also we're learning about the issues that are inside the facility from one of the neighbors, the business owners, who say they are seeing people sleeping here at night. We'll just have to wait and see what happens with this latest action. 30 days for them to try to clean up this property, or the city will at least step in to do that. Reporting live along Tunnel Road, Kimberly King, News 13.